Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a video demonstration of e-invoicing add-on for SAP B1 developed by Qnomics Technologies. E-invoicing or electronic invoicing is a system in which B2B invoices are authenticated electronically by GSTN for further use on the common GST portal. Any existing accounting or invoicing software or application provider must follow the PEP-POL standard for invoice generation. Taxpayers will therefore be able to generate a complaint invoice at the source. GSTN referred the PEP-POL standard which works on Universal Business Language version of electronic XML. First open the AR invoice screen. Choose any customer. For example, we will select Qnomics Technologies as customer. Now select the item, its total quantity, rate and related tax code at matrix level. Then go to the electronic documents tab and open e-way bill details form. Here choose supply type as outward since it is AR invoice. Choose relevant subtype, document type and transaction type. Choose main HSN, transporter code, select the mode of transportation, its vehicle type, choose vehicle number and enter distance in kilometers. Enter transporter doc number and bill from and bill to data will be fetched automatically from the selected transaction. Now click on the validate button to ensure that all the inserted information is correct. After the validation is successful, click on the update button and then click the add button of the AR invoice screen. After AR invoice is created, click on generate e-way bill and e-invoice menu item under e-document integration menu. On this form, select document type as e-invoice. By default, from and to date will be current date. Now click on fetch data button. Left matrix will display all the AR invoice within the selected date range whose e-invoices have not been generated yet. The right matrix displays the item details of the document entry selected in the left matrix. To generate the e-invoice of one or multiple AR invoices, tick the checkbox against the relevant AR invoices in the left matrix and then click on generate e-invoice button. Label besides the button will show the current status of the process. Left grid is then refreshed and hence all those AR invoices are removed whose e-invoices have been generated and uploaded to the government's portal successfully. Area below the right matrix shows the status of every selected AR invoice records, that is whether it has been submitted to the government portal or not. Double click on the area below the right matrix to view the status of every record. If you want to change, update or cancel the details of the uploaded e-invoices, then click on e-way bill and e-invoice details menu under e-document integration menu. Select the e-invoice details tab. This screen initially displays all the generated e-invoices. To filter data, enter document number and or IRN bill number and click on fetch button. Now check the checkbox against one or many invoices to be cancelled. At the right bottom corner, we need to select the reason for cancellation of the selected e-invoices. Here I have selected data entry mistake. Click on cancel e-way bill button. Status box on the right side of the matrix displays the status of the cancelled e-invoices. Double click on the box to view details. Provide transparency of costing, we also maintain the history of API pull and push data records which can be viewed here. Thank you.